So at some point or the other in all of our lives, we have people over for lunches and dinners. Whether it is a boss, whether it's a friend, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, parents, whoever it might be, the aim and the goal of having people over for lunch is of course to get to know them, but also to leave them impressed, to make them feel special, to make them feel loved. Now I have seen two kinds of people. There is the first kind that sits in the kitchen all day long, from early in the morning till the time the meal is being served. They're in the kitchen working hard, putting their heart, soul and love into everything they create, and they make everything on their own. Or the other kind is the kind like me. We look at the menu card, we pick up the phone, order the food, and the food is delivered. So irrespective of whether you belong to the first group or the second group, the secret to leaving your guests impressed and floored is to think beyond the food. Yes, if the food is tasty, that's great, but if you can think about what plates you're going to serve the food on, what kind of an environment you're going to create for your guests, what the table mats are going to be like, what the ambience is going to be like at your party, then that takes your party to a whole entire different level. So in order to learn the art of entertaining, today I am meeting Ami Kothari, who's a Mumbai-based table stylist. She's a specialist in this area and she knows how to create an unforgettable environment for your guests. So I'm ready now and very excited to be attending Ami's table styling workshop. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. Workshop. I love where this place is. Can you see the little picket fences in the background? Let's go meet Ami.
A lot of people get stuck with when we are doing Indian food, we get stuck with a lot of variety. Your napkin in a diagonal form, and then just hold it from the corner and then do a simple fan fold. Yeah, and then fold the top tip, and you get these little blackboards in the market. Use them to personalize. Yeah, it's to your table. Colorful ones. Yeah, that's great.
So I've just come back after attending Ami Kothari's table styling workshop. I have to tell you that the workshop was absolutely fantastic. She just helps you open your creative doors and she helps you take entertaining and dining to a whole new level, and she just adds so much detail, which is so important in these days. If you want to impress someone who's coming over to your house and want to create a lasting impression on them, you must attend Ami Kothari's table styling workshop. I will have her Facebook and her website linked in the description box below, so don't forget to follow her. But more importantly, other than her creativity and her skill in which she's an expert, what was really heartwarming and really nice was that Ami is just such a nice person, so down to earth, so gracious, so nice to be around, so easy to be with. Ami, thank you so much for having me, and I hope I get a chance to meet you again. Top class workshop, top class work. Thank you so much. So I asked Ami that if we had to buy just one dinner set, and a lot of us have just one dinner set in our houses, which should that dinner set be? And here's what she had to say.
So I would recommend buying something very basic and classic. Prints do become difficult to work with. So I will compare your crockery to your wardrobe. So how it would be easy to work with your basic pair of denims. Similarly, it would be easy to work with like your plain white ceramic crockery. Your basic cream with a gold rim or a silver rim would work fantastic for any formal dinner or any formal party at home.
So I did not get a chance to work out in the morning today, so we're getting that in today in the evening. A little bit of time on the treadmill. 2.5 miles, which is a decent run. Need to work on my timing, but that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.